Is there a TikTok Shop training course? Yes, there are multiple training courses available that are dedicated to teaching how to sell through TikTok Shop, from complete beginners to more advanced sellers. These courses cover the entire journey: how to set up your store, choose winning products, create engaging videos, handle orders, and scale your sales. These training programs offer comprehensive features such as detailed modules on shop setup, product selection, content creation, live selling tactics, and ad campaign strategies. They often come with downloadable resources, templates, and case studies of successful sellers. Tools such as Helium 10 are often recommended alongside these courses to help sellers with keyword research, market trend analysis, and listing optimization. In real world practice, many e commerce entrepreneurs who attend a TikTok Shop training course report faster time to launch their stores, lower failure rates, and an improved understanding of what content drives conversions. By combining structured learning from the course with hands on tools like Helium 10, sellers can accelerate growth and make data backed decisions. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your TikTok shop like a pro.